have it as a down motion and actually stay in the key a little bit longer so that it feels more emotionally heavy, okay? And then when we make the crescendo in the ritardando, you know, you can have even more sound, even more power before you get into this chord, okay? So think about it more like, really like bells. And then really you want to have lots of impact at the beginning if you can. And it's okay to roll.
I can reach like the first,
Some of
the
them.
first one.
Yeah. I think that, you know, you have to make a decision. Like, it almost sounds better if you just stay consistent with, so if you need to kind of roll them, then do them all. You know what I mean? Third finger. Yeah, so you can make your arm. Good. Okay, now really make the crescendo. That's, yeah, really stretch those, you know. And if you can, stay in the key and drop your weight from key to key, but don't be up in the air too much. And you naturally, you're hearing these changes in the right hand, which is beautiful. That's what you have to do more of. I feel like when you played it the first time, you're kind of compressing. Do you know what I mean by that? Try and stretch out these waves as much as you can. Like, have the feeling that you have a lot of space within the beat to play all the notes. Do you see what I mean? So the basses are going to come out on their own. Try to feel all the notes in between and play them more like con passione, with passion. Each note a line, really, really, okay?
From the beginning?
Just go from the second line now, yeah. Every note. So the one no-no that you don't want to do is just listen to your bass. You know what I mean? If you really hear melodically, it's going to be beautiful. And then when you come in with this, you know, it's your first chance to be really melodic and really comment on what was happening with the melody, right? Now it's your turn. So in the hall in Pavone where you're going to play, it's a little bit dry. So you need to put kind of a nice thick pedal on these and have more ringing in your bass and really bring out your melody more, you know? So come in with more presence when you have this melody. You want to go from a few bars before? I know it's probably easy for you to play this really fast, but I wonder if it's possible that you don't go too much faster, and instead of going so fast, try to think more articulate. You know, it would be really nice to hear all the left hand, hear the peaks. See, because when you got here, this was too fast. This was a place that I was a little bit worried, like I don't know that you'll be with the orchestra. Do you see what I mean? So this is not that much faster than it's just un poco più mosso, just very, very little. Do you want to try getting into it from before? Shouldn't be set in, okay? Gotta really feel gradually with that, okay? And feel the second beat. So really marcato. Right. And I would actually hold on to these tenutos. So if you're playing a yeah, play a little bit of this. Listen to, like, in these two places? In your heart.
The left hand.
Exactly right. So, why did I say that? Do you know what needs to be fixed with that? Okay, so what happened was, right before you play this bass note, you delay. See? So conductor's going to be listening to this bar of your left hand. So the phrasing should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. In other words, don't delay the downbeat, which you won't be together, right? So if you want to take time after the downbeat, it's okay, but don't take time before that. That's one thing, old times. Then, what does making the piano sing mean to you? How do you, if I told you I wanted to sing more, what would you immediately do to change that?
Go out the key, pull on it, kind of.
So for you, when I say sing, that's immediately a technical correction.
Kind of.
Yeah, I mean, it does involve a technical correction. What would it mean from an emotional or kind of musical standpoint if I said I need the music to sing?
Make it more expressive. Try to imitate a singer's voice with the melody.
Exactly. So how can we do that? Do you know what's missing when you play it that doesn't make it sound vocal enough? That can be better? Okay, so when a singer sings, right, they have to support each note with what? Their breath, right? I mean, their diaphragm, right, and their breath, and when they run out of breath, they can't make a sound anymore, so they have to retake the breath to breathe again. Okay, so as pianists, that's what we have to do. And every note that you play, every melody note has to be supported somehow. So our breath and our voice, technically is in our wrist and our forearm and our elbow. So when you're playing, and what I hear is like you play it so musically, it's beautiful what you feel with it. It's not every note is supported. Do you hear that when you play? So some notes are too soft, some notes stick out a little bit. Do you know what I mean? So that's what I want you to fix. I want to have one line. So, and also for Pavone, for where you're playing, change the pedal once here, once here, once here, twice here, once here, twice here, once. Because with more pedal and really good voicing, it's going to sound beautiful in there, because it's dry.
Yeah.
Okay? So let's try. Should have that. It's already better. It's already better. Now, can you do, when you use rubato, right? It's like you do it in all the right places. But one thing you gotta make sure is the melody keeps moving. So it's okay to do rubato, just don't stop. Do you know what I mean? You should never stop. It's endless. Okay? And you do that by pacing your left hand. So let's try one.